Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add a repeating calendar event on iPhone. So it's pretty simple. First you want to open up the calendar app and then you want to click on the plus button at the top right of the screen. Now from over here, first you want to name the event. So I'm going to name this event YouTube. After you name it, at the bottom over here you want to choose the day when it starts. So after you choose the day when it starts, what you want to do is choose the day when it ends. Now if you don't want to choose the day when it ends, you can leave it empty as well. But then over here where it says repeat, you want to click on repeat. Once you click on repeat, you want to choose how many days you want it to be repeated. Do you want it to be repeated every week or every 2 weeks, every month, every year or every day? If you want it every day, click on every day and click on add. Once you do that, as you guys can see, the event has been added and it's going to be repeating every single day. So that is how you guys can add a repeating calendar event on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.